Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Yes, you're seeing what you're seeing. We're moving on. I'm in the car right now because I'm gonna go ahead, head over to pick up Raccoon so we can go ahead and shoot with Shayna. See the shirt? She is a shoot for a single. Is with the photographer Shako. We did see him in my behind the scenes vlog with Chantel Nicole for her project, so he's great. This is gonna be good. I'll check back in with you guys when I pick him up. It is hot in this car. I just got in here. There's no I'm melting. If you guys are ready to come with me on this journey, this vlog for this shoot, keep on watching. All right, you already know the deal. Picked him up. The green hair. You guys haven't seen his green hair. Oh my God. Yeah.
And I'm not tired for once.
Who cares? All right, we're on our way. We're gonna go ahead, meet up with Shayna, and get started. So let's go.
Pull up Rusty.
I got a clip of your butt.
He does it everything. He's so gross.
I saw the last time we did the video, you couldn't even put any of the audio because we were talking shit the whole time.
Yep.
Such is life.
Well, this video is probably gonna go Monday because I've been working excessively and I haven't filmed yet. And my boxy charm is late. If you watch my videos, they're always late. So
I love boxy charm.
You should go with this. Like this is like a whole rig for the face.
I mean, put your lipstick on.
Oh.
Well, that part.
You're setting me up.
People will believe that. People who know me will believe that. Like my followers.
This is my beautiful cousin. Oh God, I sound gross. I got to get it from my mouth.
Oh my God.
Rusty.
Really good. It's really nerdy, but it's really good.
Pretty nerdy.
That's literally the only Marvel thing that I have not watched.
No.
Is What If.
Oh, the trailer was so good.
When is it coming out?
In December.
Damn.
Like Christmas season.
To me, it feels like so soon.
Yeah, it feels like soon to me too.
Very soon for me because I have stuff that I need to do.
Look at Shayna and my cousin, the MUA and the YouTuber.
We're on the 8th floor. We're not downstairs. We're literally on the 8th floor of the.
Look at her makeup
We
bounce.
probably didn't need help.
Look at all the options. Look at Shayna's leg.
Okay, cool. Just give me a call.
He's horrible. Still alive.
We're planning up her arm.
That's all we kind of.
I have everything. I'm gonna show you what we're
I want the lips to be a little dramatic.
Why are you the prettiest thing?
like a wreck. But you said it gets deep right
This is
there.
I'm gonna use like this.
Okay, did I find it properly?
Pull up Rusty.
Look at the two pretty girls. That's two pretty girls. First.
That's not her first music.
I've been having panic attacks since I was 2. Come on. Look at the two pretty girls.
You sound like she's your queen to be.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes. That is mad.
That's just Malcolm. When it shows Malcolm, just put just Malcolm in the corner, please.
For me?
Yes. Shayna believed everything. Shayna believed everything I said.
Look up, she closes her eyes.
Because it's all her.
Why is it her? What'd she do to you? Go ahead, tell the camera.
I brushed it.
She punched me.
Pull up Rusty.
Look, Shayna's right there. See my hand? That's Shayna. And look, that's Shayna too.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Shayna's section.
Pull up Rusty.
I wasn't tired before, but I'm tired now.
I'm done. Just here for touch-ups. They're doing their thing. We're in a hotel that never mind.
On your ear.
Right here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want to go do it?
Okay, I'm.
No, I'm not. Oh, no, I don't want to touch this thing.
We'll be back.
Yo, this.
Also, one more thing.
This
on
thing.
the-
Yeah.
Do you think I should keep this open? Like, I should unbutton these and keep some of it open?
I mean, I like how you look now, especially if you're going for old timing. I think you look prim and proper, and I think your hair is luxurious. I think you're doing a great job. I like this. You see, I'm on set, and they ask for my opinion out here in these streets. Just so you know, beauty guru.
No, it's mine now.
Always.
They were just like, use it for your shoes.
I'm not going too close to my skin, to my pores. I was filming.
I don't know how I'm getting this, but.
My stomach is growling.
Oh my god. I'm actually starving. Also, it's been a long day, but not like the makeup is really good. The outfit is really good.
He's coming back.
It is really good. And the lipsticks are they my lipsticks? I don't know.
Your pants are amazing. I really like your pants.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I should have got that, but I didn't ask permission. Lashes bratty, you already know. I was feeling extra. I don't know why this neck tattoo got me feeling. It just got me feeling real teardroppy. So that's what happened. But I guess we're checking on the way to get food. We are hungry. We're starving.
Wherever you're going,
right
you're
back.
best dressed.
Pull up Rusty.
It's late, but we're done. How do we do? It was good.
Actually,
It was a really, really good shoot. Really, really easy. It's always great working with Shayna. It's it's just always a good time, honestly. But we're starving. We need to get some food.
Some chicken, please.
Honest. First of all, I paid $10 for 6 little wings.
You did. And we split it.
And we shared it.
3 people.
Oh my god. Anyway, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm going to try to bring you some more real soon. And I might be in Vegas, y'all. He's not going to be.
I'm not going.
I'm glad we both know. And I have some more videos coming for you guys. Sorry that BoxyCharm is late. But I thought this would be a good little filler while BoxyCharm gets their shit together. They won't. But hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know what's to come from BoxyCharm, so let's get ready for that. Mentally prepare ourselves for the rage that is inside me, and I hope it's in all of you. Just kidding, you guys like when I'm upset, and it's rude. But that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork Crew, so you'll be notified every single time I upload, which is every single Monday.
Oh, like clockwork.
Every single Monday, like clockwork. Guys, stop. We're starving.
Starving.
Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.